So today I figured, since I have the apartment to myself, it's nighttime, the construction's not happening. I am in a very busy part of Los Angeles, so there's always sounds and noises, so it's very hard to make videos. But I figured since I had this chance to make a video that I would. So I haven't really planned anything. I've grabbed a couple of airbrush colors and my Game of Thrones palette from Urban Decay. Oh, it's so pretty. And we have some stuff from Wet n Wild as well, so hopefully we can play with new things. So I'm gonna start by taking off my makeup. Today I actually had to go to the DMV to get, ooh, these smell good, to get my license renewed. And it was not fun. DMV is like the second circle of hell in my opinion. Dante was wrong. So I'm just going in with a primer. This is the Smashbox Primerizer. Moisturizer and primer in one. For my airbrush, I'm going to be using water-based makeups. These are from European Body Art. They're called Vibe. I've used a lot of their Endura stuff in my past videos, but I also use their water-based. So they have this really beautiful purple, and this really pretty blue, and then this pink, fluoro pink, and then this beautiful color. It's metallic blue. I used it on like a shoot that I did a couple weeks ago. It was so pretty. And I'm going to mix a lavender color. For some reason, I have been digging the color lavender. So I've just mixed the white and the purple. Now I'm going to use my airbrush to apply it to my face. And you're gonna hear the sounds of baby screaming. Not really, it's just airbrush. Woo, she's cold. Looking like Ursula. Loving every minute of that, man. One of the keys to airbrush is to constantly move your gun and to treat it like you would a brush, like if you're putting foundation on with a brush. Just think of this as the brush, so you are applying with your gun instead of your beauty blender or your sponge or your Real Techniques contour brush, whatever, what have you. So the secret is really layering, letting a layer dry, adding another layer. And at this point I have so much paint on my contact lenses that I can barely see. But it's okay because I'm purple. I'm going to powder this using a translucent powder and a fluffy brush. So just lightly dusting it over the paint. This paint is kind of shiny. Time to bring out old trusty Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX. Bonjour mon petit chou. Comment ça va? I'm gonna try something I've never tried before, and that's putting liquid lipstick in my eyebrows. This is the Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild in Deviant Damsel. It's from their Rose, their Wild Rose collection. It's a very dark purple. So I'm going to just draw in kind of a strong brow. She'll have a little arch. We'll name her Archie, like Prince Harry and Meghan. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay brow blade to create some little inner hairs. So I'm just going to draw on some little hair dudes. I'm going to use a blush for eyeshadow. This is Electra from NYX, if I can get it open. It's a hot pink. This brush is like crooked. Can you see that? It's like blending crookedly. It must have sat funny while it was drying. And we gotta put a little pink on the nose. That looks like I have a cold. Cool. We're gonna bring out an eyeshadow from Retirement, and it's the infamous number 92 from Make It Forever. That purple. I remember when I first got that, I thought the world ended and began in that shade. And I still like it. A lot of you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's so old. Don't use that. But it's a powder and it's been kept clean, so it's okay. I'm just gonna put that in the crease a little bit. A little bit of purple. I'm annoying myself doing that. Under the eye, I'm gonna take the blush again and a bullet brush and run it under my eyes. So this is called really looking like I got pink eye. I'm gonna be using this badass stencil. It is Lazy Paisley. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna hot pink it. I'm going to apply hot pink over it. Yeah. See how kind of pretty that is? But my airbrush just got a little hot, so I'm gonna like put it in timeout and go ahead and do my lip. This is the same thing that I put in my brows. It's the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. I do like the applicators of these. I seem to be able to do my lips without a lip brush, which is a rarity. So while I'm waiting for the air compressor to decompress, I'm going to finish off the eyes, and I'm using LUMI with a bit of a cake eyeliner sealer. And I knew I couldn't get away without using some kind of SUGARPILL product for a look like this. Now the thing that you will notice was that the lines will get blurred because you've put, you know, purple on top of pink and pink on top of purple. So what you can do is take your violet color that you used to airbrush your face and start drawing on some negative spaces, almost like coral looking. And if it's too intense, you can pat your finger over it, take away the intensity. But I just find that gives kind of a better overall look. It just incorporates everything together. It makes it easier to not be like, oh, there's where you ended your stencil. You don't have to follow the stencils exactly, but this is what I like to do when I'm airbrushing. I like to add a little bit of hand work. Otherwise it looks too uniform and too robotic and too much like a stencil. And I'm just going to continue to do that same thing on the neck. I think I'm going to try bend the knee on top of the lips. It's pretty. But I am going to do this lip gloss, Clear Quartz Mega Glow Lip Gloss from Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to lightly place it on the lips. So my lips look blue, but it's a really pretty blue, so I don't care. Since the lips went blue, I'm going to add some blue to the crease of my eye. And this is the Frozen North color, which is incredible, by the way. I really like the Game of Thrones palette from Urban Decay. I just decided to do this because It makes sense to me. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. You could have your chosen man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. This is Full Exposure Smashbox Waterproof Mascara. I don't know why I'm trying to put on waterproof mascara at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm just going to use the Demi Wispies from Ardell, like that come in packs of 5. I'm just gonna put these on top because they're not bottoms today. And I'm honestly just washing this off. When you're feeling down and your resistance is low, just grab a pair of lashes and let yourself go. It's so easy when you know the rules. Stick them bitches to your own lash. Alright guys, that wraps up this spontaneous makeup video. It's good to be back. It was a lot of fun. I did finish off by putting contacts in. These are from Pinky Paradise. I think they're the aqua color. And all in all, this makeup reminds me of Nightcrawler and Ursula, like mixing and making babies, and I don't know. I really like it. It was fun to play with some stencils again and some airbrush and some other beauty products. If you did enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a DNA sample, and like maybe your SAT scores and maybe your credit report. That would be great. Otherwise, I really appreciate you guys sticking around, and do please leave me any comments below on possible videos you would like, from makeup artistry to color theory to art to whatever tickles your fancy, and I will get to working on some videos. So I hope to see you guys very soon. Take care, and bye-bye.